You're traveling with this alligator. Hello mga ka-senior, today we are here in our room in El Nido and today we'll be going to Port Barton in San Vicente, Palawan. So I'm going to show you how to get to Port Barton, how much it costs, how long it takes, and once we reach Port Barton, I'm going to take you on a tour of Port Barton. So tara na, let's go na to Port Barton, let's go! We're still in El Nido and it's about 5:55 in the morning and today we're going to Port Barton. So bili muna tayo ng pandesal at tayo magbe-breakfast bago tayo malis. Tingnan muna natin. May breakfast na dito sa El Nido Bakery. Very popular yan dahil ang sarap na kanilang pandesal. 250 lang. So bili tayo ng breakfast ng pandesal. So breakfast. Ate, 20 pesos na pandesal. Bili tayo ng 20 pesos na pandesal. 20 pesos sa akin.
Ilan po sa inyo?
Nandun, nabayad na. Okay, 20 pesos na pandesal. Okay, may breakfast na tayo. 20 pesos na pandesal. Punta tayo doon sa hostel na tayo. Or bibili naman ng 5 pesong kape sa bento machine. Tayo, 5 pesos daw. Tulog dito. Choco, 3-in-1. Bulalo? Meron bulalo? Okay. Naga 3-in-1 siguro. Pinintad natin. 3-in-1 cup. Saan yung cup? Ayun. Okay. Before we leave Austria, this is a 500 peso panroom, Chebok Trogoda. So panroom lang siya, but it's very clean, and it's centrally located and very strong Wi-Fi. So I'm happy with our lunching here in El Nido. So in case you're looking for some inexpensive place to stay, try here at Austria. So check out the tayo dito sa Asturias and then now we go to the area kung saan tayo nagpa-reserve ng ticket going to Port Barton. Pa ang El Nido at around 7:30 in the morning. Galing malapit sa cliff and then papunta na tayo kung saan tayo nag-book. Malapit lang naman, mga 200 meters na lakad. Yan tayo sa Island Hopping Tours, nag-book ng ticket going to Port Barton. So, ang fare is 600. Nagtanong ako kung merong bus, mukhang wala yatang bus, so we have to take the van. So, we paid 600 pesos and then ang schedule ng Port Barton. Base dito sa schedule na ito is from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. We book the 8 a.m. Port Barton. Happy tour. So dito daw tayo mag-intay. Although pwede naman sila sumundo sa hotel natin. Pero malapit lang naman. I don't want to be late. We're now inside the terminal. So going to Port Barton. Good morning, Kuya. Good morning. We're traveling with yes, an alligator. pesos. Araw, alam doon, no? Let's go in. From here we should about 44 kilometers to reach Port Barton. So about 54 minutes. Isang oras na lang nandun na tayo sa Decided to muna kumain. May stopover naman dito but you can choose to have lunch in Port Barton. Ito yung ba na sinasakyan natin. So yung mga maleta at saka mga gamit nasa taas lahat, nakatop-load lahat. So kaya naman, pero yung medyo siksikan kami. So time check, it's 12:17 and we finally arrived at Port Barton. Taking us about 4 hours from El Nido to Port Barton. So I think we are staying here to come back after. So we'll just keep waiting for our bags and then we're ready to check in. Port Barton terminal. We are ready for our bags. Tayo dito sa barracks ng Bacarsi.
Without rice? Without rice. With rice.
We arrived here in Port Barton and we're having lunch. Menudo, pancit, and soft drinks, 135 pesos.
May ganap siya?
Backpackers.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Pwede ko po sir makita?
Oh, wait, teka. Backpackers. Okay. Mga tent siya. Medyo malayo. Sa dormitory, parang nasa army. Saan? Dito. Hotel team. Praying Wolves. Paano ba sa loob? Okay. Ba't mag-isa?
O, mag-isa pa lang po. Mamaya pa yung isa.
Okay.
Okay po.
Iwan ng chinelas.
Depende po sa isa. Pwede naman yan sa gilid.
Sa gilid na lang. Oo, sige. Okay. Salamat. Okay. This is the Camp Backpackers room. So far, mag-isa pa lang ako sa loob ng napakalaking tent. So, fresh air, electric fan, and then we have one bed. Siguro mamaya magkakaroon doon ng kasama. We're not sure. Meron kang unan, tuwalya, at kumot. Not sure kung medyo mainit pa dahil hapon. And then you can close. Katuwa naman. But for 300 pesos, may amenity kit pa, may tuwalya, and then maganda yung hihigaan. Oh, siguro malamig naman mamayang gabi. Wala nga lang aircon. Fun. So pahinga muna tayo after biyahe from El Nido. Pahinga muna after biyahe from El Nido. Ito ang lighting Meron daw tayo roommate mamaya. Mamaya pa naman. Sana masurvey mo yung hilik ko. So dito tayo mag-stay for 2 days. Camp Backpackers dito sa Port Barton. Para siyang military hangout. Kailan ba yung hindi ko lang kung ano yung pinasukan. Pinagalingan natin. H Hotel Team. Okay. And then ito yung CR. Men's CR latrine. Tingnan natin. The urinal. And then shower. And then yung kabila. Good Next meron pang bidet. Nice. Camp Backpackers, which is very near the Port Barton station. Dito pa. Sa Irawan, diretso.
Hindi po, sa Robinson lang yan sila.
Mas lagi sa Robinson. Mas layo na Irawan.
Malayo po, Irawan.
Magkano ang pamasahe?
250 po yun sa bus.
Okay. Basta punta na lang dito before 8 o'clock. Marami namang masasakyan, marami upuan. Pagbas.
Madalas po punuan din sila, kaya doon aga-aga kayo.
Mga alas 7. Ito yung mga transportation, meron kayong option whether van or bus. We will try the bus. 8 a.m. on sa 23rd. So at least alam natin na meron palang galawang biyahe ang bus. Dito ko lakad siya kung 1:30, 2:50 na yung pamasahe. It takes about 4 hours at hindi sa Irawan, diretso sa Robinson, which is quite good. Ang layo ng Irawan. So we'll do that on Thursday. Today is Tuesday, so meron pa tayong 1 day to explore Port Barton. Lakad-lakad tayo, tingnan natin kung makikita natin. Ang daming turista. So mas laid back daw at mas backpackers itong Port Barton kumpara sa El Nido. And then parang it's an ordinary Filipino town na maganda ang beach. So hindi pag mga travelers lang siya talaga, hindi doon sa mga turistang nangangailangan ng luxury. Walang luxury hotel dito. So yan, malapit lang pala yung tabing dagat. So mga souvenir shops as usual. Marami na rin mga lodging houses. Oo, yan. Oh. Masarap ba yung ganyan eh, may kalawang.
Apo. Ano po ito?
Ha?
Hindi po.
Yung sa puno, yan ang gusto ko kasi. Pagpili tayo ng saging. Hindi tayo saging, 40 pesos. Ito yung masarap eh, yung may makalawang, mas matamis na daw hinog sa puno. Okay, medyo malapit na rin yung dagat. Dami natin pwedeng kainan. Kung dito sa street na to, pwede rin ikutin natin. Maraming pwedeng ginagawa na. Ito magkano dito? And lemonade. Meeting establishment. Ito na yung beach. Ito lang yung mga pension houses. Oh. Mga pension houses. Tahimik dito. Parang Boracay nung araw.
Hello, welcome to Port Barton.
Welcome.
Hi.
Hello, kuya. Kamusta kuya?
Okay lang, sir.
Medyo high tide. Fairness, magandang dagat ha. Puntahan. So, 1.5 ka.
Anim na destination, sir, sa isang araw.
Ayun, destination.
The first, Starfish Island.
Okay.
And the second, dito sa Twin Reef for snorkeling.
Snorkeling.
Saka parang ano, sir, aquarium, sir. Marami pong isda dito.
Hindi ako marunong lumangoy eh.
May mag-guide po yan, sir.
Pwede.
Opo.
Meron ba ano yan? Underwater camera? Wala akong dala camera ngayon.
Opo, kung gusto niyo magpa-ano ng group po.
Okay.
May group para sa...
Okay, so, ang kainan dyan sa may... Ano oras mag-start yan?
Mga sir, 8:30 po.
8:30. Saan mag-add?
Dito po. Sa...
Dito.
yung waiting area.
Okay. Konti, same price. Kaya parang gusto kong...
Kaya komportable talaga sir kay makano kayo sa bangko sa loob.
Okay.
Dala-dala talaga.
Pag land tour, ganun
1.8
din.
yan sir, 1.8.
1.8. Wala pang pagkain.
Medyo mahal kasi ang yung gasolina.
Oo nga yan.
Kasi sa bangka, diesel.
Sige, siguro mag-island hopping siguro ako bukas.
Sir,
Chilling at the beach. Yung dog, relax na relax. Iba din yung mga tao dito. Relax na relax sila. Enjoying Port Barton. So, the laid back beach of Port Barton. 15 lang. Ayan, laman. Ano laman?
10 piso.
Bakit ang mura dito? Tsaka walang taba, oh. Sarap. Dito tayo.
Kaya pa na ang problema.
Meron tayong laman. Pwedeng ito. Tayong barbecuehan. 10 piso na yung laman. Napakamura dito. Order tayong laman at saka ng kanin. Lapit na baluto. Ngayon tayo, 10 piso ng pork barbecue at saka 20 pesos na hotdog. And then 10 peso na kanin. Yan, panalo ito. As I watch the sun snuggle behind the mountains, I think as the day begins to cease, how a sunrise brings us hope, while sunset brings us peace. I sit here by the beach in Port Barton watching the sunset, I can help but smile. For I had a very fun and exciting day today. It was a long journey from El Nido to Port Barton. So we came here by van. We started very early in Port Barton. We woke up very early, showered, and had breakfast of pandesal and coffee. After that, we went to the pickup station. We're supposed to take our van going to Port Barton. Actually, we booked the van about 2 days ago. We paid 600 pesos. Apparently, there's no direct bus to Port Barton. You have to take the van, and the vans are available from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. They will pick you up at your hostel or guest house. In our case, we went to the area where we booked our trip. So the trip actually was about 4 hours. We left around 8:20 and arrived in Port Barton at around 12:20. So upon arrival, we had lunch at the Comeback Packers Inn, and then we checked in at the Comeback Packers. I was pleasantly surprised to see that Comeback Packers is like a tent community. Our room is actually a tent, which can accommodate 6 people. Fortunately, there's only 2 of us, so we have the huge tent all by myself. After that, I walk around the community. It's very rural. No big buildings or commercial areas, only small houses and hostels and guest houses and small stores. And then the beach is quite beautiful. The sun, although not not white, it's powdery, still powdery. So the people are quite laid back, very relaxed, and enjoying the beach, which is also good for swimming. So we'll be going back to our hotel in a bit. In the meantime, I'd like to thank you very much for joining me in this trip from El Nido to Port Barton, and for joining me in exploring Port Barton. With that, thank you very much for watching Travel Wag again. Until our next time, see you soon.